Eguswa ya wo galamsey ne ehun sam kane osofo na ohwe defense so wura Dominic Nitiwo na ekasei o se aban o magana fo ni da so bebre wogidie pa kasaye se wo ba eyade se galamsey obetu ase obisa se akosi sei onhu se de wo kan no ene wa bai de wo ye no ede ne bo abura kakra
Abraham Rashebejeni awo menhia north akwesi kunedu ensem atudwa ewo mrashebejum efa eye galamsey ewon sensem no wo wie ya ana kane soafo a one nehwe defense wonsem Dominic Nitiwo ede sumbo ebo NDC aban no se wo de betudwa se eyade a Ghana fo eto abama ne naso nya akonya na wo mo eba aban mu a wo mo behwe se galamsey ebe brase nanso no ene monhwe de ekoso Wachirima yadi abai wa mo ne ho modern kra e wo galamsey e ho nsem.
Youth are being destroyed because of galamsey. And what is painful is that somebody will have his cocoa farm. Minerals Commission will sit in Accra and issue permits, and they will go and destroy the cocoa farms. The former speaker, Joe Sewusu, you can find out from him. His own farm, he cannot visit that farm. Cocoa farm, because Galamsey just invaded the whole place and took over. And that is what, if they can do that to a former speaker, what about the ordinary farmer in the village?
When have they done that to Joe Sewusu?
They seized his farm.
When?
Mrashebejeni awo wasa east Isaac J Mensa enso ekasetiae sensem odi tudwa no nokure bi enim se aban no atiada na emum wo ye de obeye bia Galamsey ho nsem ebekofom.
Yeah, I have a palma maybe statement a buyer. A nema miensa. Edika. O mine in food dear any a quiet essay. A japadia one or quiet mono essay. Any in Blancasa ne woho. A indigenous planting and association. It was even indigenous animals are now your war because of more habitat. A pan or modern and enemy in air. Zobevemwa. In Chima Babano, even a dear body the chair young crown on air resources and aside good na you too. A year and one to my air course. And never will qua. Many passing a share.